Hello students, today we are with a new video that is related to Photoshop. Yes, Photoshop, everyone know that it is for editing, right? Editing means what? Over your editing of the photos. You can make collage, you can do a cover page, you can make a magazine cover, you can do many of the editing, like you can make your own photographs, you can do the editing for that. You can place yourself anywhere else where you have not gone or you wish to go, that also you can do it. Your dream, your virtual, you can say virtual, that we say board, virtual board, yes, that we can do. So let us start. So first of all, yes, I will give you an introduction about Photoshop, in that the components about it. So first of all, the title bar, in which you will see the name of the program, and with that minimize, maximize and close, you know that thing. Okay, next is about the menu bar, or you can say the text menu, in which you will see the file, edit and many more options. Here this is also known as option bar. Okay, when you will select any of the tools, according to that the options are changing, so that is called an option bar. And this is our workspace, this is our workspace in which we are going to work. This is the tools palette, in which you will see different tools are available. Like first of all, this part is for the editing of the photos. Here we want to do the changes in that, like we want to give healing brush effect, that all means like you want to change the patches, you want to remove it, that we can do. Here we can go with the editing of the text, you can take the shapes and you can write with the pen. This part is for magnifying, like you can magnify it, you can move it, the photos. Okay, if there is a large photo, then you can use the hand tool, you know very well that about it. And this is you can say annotation part, annotation part and the measurement part. This is foreground and background color. Foreground color, that is black, and the white is the background color. So let us start. So first of all, yes, this is our workspace, which you can see. What we have to do, we have to go to file new, and that you will get the option, you know that the shortcut key is control plus N. Okay, here you will get the first file name, that is untitled. Instead of that, you can give your own name of your own choice, so that you can do it. I'm just going with that same thing. So let us start. Okay, you can preset it. So I've saved it as a preset. You can see here that there is an option of preset. Okay, so preset, in that what you wanted: clipboard, default, Photoshop size 7 by 5 and many more options. If you want according to the website, then for the website you can do the changes. You have to just do the selection and it will be done. Okay, next is for the mobile devices. For the mobile devices, it is enough that it may look that much size of the photograph. For film and video, then it is needed according to it. So yes, I even you have the custom option. So in custom you can decide of your own. Okay, in that you can take it in inches. Yes, I have taken in inches. I want it that it must be 8 by 10, right? The height must be 10 and the width must be 8. Okay, so that we can do it. But when you are going to a photo, you just see there that in the photo studios they are asking you which size you wanted the photographs to be printed. So that is in landscape or portrait, even you want a passport size photo or like that. So yes, I want to go by 8 by 10, that I've done the selection. Yes, the pixels matters over here, the resolution. Yes, how you want the resolution, whether it may be okay or it may be good, like HD quality, then you have to go according to it. Here the color mode, there are different color modes. By default it is RGB, and that is only good for it. Okay, then we are having background contents, in that we are having white background, background color, transparent. If you want to give the background color from the first, then you can go by the background color. Okay, and here I'm going by the white. Okay, so this is about it, and you can save it as a preset. Yes, it will ask you that whether you want to give any name. No, I don't. I want to give 8 by 10 by 8. Yes, I've done. Click on OK. Done. Now you are coming to the workspace. Yes, now I want an image to be edited, so I will click on open. As I will click on open, here I will get it many of the options. From that I can do the selection, right? So like here I have the cartoon characters. I'm just clicking on open, and then yes, here we have the selection. That is, first of all we are having the murky tool. In that we can do the selection in four ways, that is rectangular murky tool, elliptical murky tool, single row, single column. Okay, and we are going to work on this two tools, that is murky, rectangular and elliptical. Let us start. So first of all I am going by the rectangular murky tool. Okay, so I just want to select the face part. Okay, I'm just moving, uh, I'm doing the selection. Okay, then I'll click on move tool, and then you just see I've moved from there. Okay, so it is done in the rectangular area. Okay, now I want to go by the elliptical, so I'll click on elliptical. First I have to come out of that selection, so I have to just click outside of it. Now elliptical. Okay, oh sorry, remove from there. Elliptical, again click on move tool, and you can move it. You can see here that I can move it. I can even change the shape of it. Okay, so this is about it. Okay, now we will go for the new over here, right? So file, again open, and that we will take another character over here. Click on open. Now as I have told you about the rectangular and elliptical, now we want to place anywhere this thing. Okay, so what we will do, we will open another one also, that is like a background. We will select it where we want to place that thing. Okay, so I will go with the background. I'll go with a background, uh, in which I'm just selecting the background. Done. Okay, now somewhat like this. Okay, you can minimize it. Okay, or you can even restore that things. Like I have it, some of the files over here. Okay, now yes, I will do the selection in a elliptical way. Click on move tool, and yes, we can move it. Sorry, I'll just go for copy and paste, otherwise it will not look good. Copy, and now you have to click on the active place where you want to paste it. So yes, I've pasted over here. Now you can see here that this is being done. This image, you can see it over here. Okay, so when I will click on move tool again, it will ask you whether you want to apply. Yes, I will click on apply, so it has been applied over there. Now I want the another face, right? So I will go for file, open, and I will take the another character. Now I will go with the rectangular murky tool. Just do the selection. Okay, like I've selected more area. I want to go with the face of that person. Click on it. Now copy, and again you have to keep it active, the place where you want to paste it. So yes, I'll just paste it over here. Click on move tool. So yes, you can see the arrows over there. Many of the times you cannot see this edges to adjust it. So what you have to do, when you are clicking on the move tool, when you are clicking on the move tool, what you have to do, you have to click on move again. Just see over here and see show transform tool. So you can see again the arrows over there. Okay, so this is the thing that we can do. And when you will click on the corner, so it will be easy for you that you can do it both the ways, the selections. Okay, so this is about it. Okay, now we'll go with the next. I don't want to apply and I don't want to save it, so I'll click on no. Now I'll go with the new thing over here. Again I will go with open. Again I will select another character over here. Okay, I've selected the character. Now I'm going to use over here lasso tool. Lasso tool, in that what you can see that it is different from murky tool. Yes, murky tool is also for the selection and lasso tool also. But what is the difference? In lasso tool you will get free form selection, so you can do the selection from any way. Okay, so I'll just start the selection. Not taking it still. Sorry. I will do the selection only of the face. Let us do that thing. Let us take only the face of the. You must be somewhat professional. Yes, you have to do minutely these things. So yes, you can go for the zooming. You can zoom it and then you can do. I am just showing you how to use it. Okay, I have selected the face. Okay, control C. Again you can go with the control X also. Okay, I'm going with the new file in that. Okay, and control V. You can see here that I have pasted. Okay, so this way you can do. Even you can paste it on a place, a background where you want it, like we'll go for it. We'll apply. I've already the backgrounds, different backgrounds in which I can apply it. Okay, so this way also you can do it. Okay, next, now what we are going to see, that this about lasso tool. And that polygon lasso tool, in that what we there is a difference in between of that, that in polygon lasso tool you can do in polygon way. Yes, polygon way means you can say a triangle shape, a line shape. That way you can do it. You can see over here how I'm doing the selection. I'm just moving according to the edges. Hmm, okay, I'll go somewhat quickly now. Hmm, very It is very helpful to the professional people, right? Those who like it, and I think that many of the people like to do this all things. They like to change their photograph. They would like to change their DP, and in that the places which they want to go. So their dream, they want to fulfill it, so they can keep it this type of pictures also. You can do with the mobile also, but yes, in Photoshop there's a different thing. I'll just go quickly now. I'm just cutting nose. You can see I'm going very quickly. White background will come with that because I've not done that much accurately this thing. because we are not having much time. But yes, we will do it. Yes, we have done it. Control C, and we will take a background. Yes, a good background. We will take it over here. Click on open and paste it. Move tool. Yes, we have done it. That was not proper, but yes, we have done it. Okay, so this way, yes, you can apply it if you want to apply. Okay, then yes, the next part is of magnify. Yes, magnetic lasso tool. Here we have seen lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, and now magnetic lasso tool. So first, as I've done, you have to click on the area, so outside of it, so the selection may be done. Now we will start. Here it is very simple, very simple. Just it will take the edges of your selections and it will do, okay, according to the edges. You have to just move your cursor. You have to move your cursor and it will be done. You have to move your cursor properly over here. As you move the cursor, you see here, it's doing very quickly. You have to just move the cursor. This is the better way to do the selection many of the times. But you have to keep it in mind that the area is to be covered. All the area is to be covered. So yes, Control C. And again we will go with a new background. Yes, I will go with a new background and I will place it over here. Again the move tool. Okay. Yes, you can visit this area, right? So this you can show like this. Okay, next now we are having, yes, now the next we are having the option of quick selection. Yes, quick selection, in which quickly you have to do the selections. Here you can see a quick selection tool. In this you will see this is quick selection, this is plus to do the additional selection, and this is minus to deselect it, to subtract it from that. So plus minus you can use it for that. You see here the area which is being selected. Okay. Now you can see, yes, here the pixels matters, that how much pixels of brush you are having. So here I have 8 pixels brush. You can increase or decrease it. Okay, Control C, open, another background, Control V. The Mickey is big, so according to that you can go on. Yes, done. Okay, so this way you can do it. Next, now we are having over your magic wand tool. Magic wand tool, it works very quickly, because in that if you are having the background, similar background, then it will be done. You can see here that similar background is there, white background. That's why I've selected that type of photograph only. In that you can do Control Shift I, so invert selection will be done, so that Mickey Mouse is now selected. Now we will click on copy and go with another one. another place. Okay, and control V. Click on move tool. And now you can see a Mickey Mouse in the garden. Okay, so this way you can do it. Now the next is about crop tool. Yes, crop tool. First of all, just we will remove the selection. Crop tool, everyone know that if you want to crop it, right, some of the areas, then you can crop it. So yes, I will do the cropping. Click on crop and then do the selection. Okay, and then click on the right crop. See, so the cropping is done. Okay, so this way you can do the cropping. Next is move tool. As I have told you, move tool I have explained you at the first only. Now we are having over here the gradient tool. Gradient tool, how it works. So we will go with a new file, and that is it. Maximize distance area. Here we are having the gradient tool. In gradient tool you will have different colors over here, right? So you can take different colors, and according to that you are having here the linear, radial, if you want in the form of circle. Okay, so just see over here, I'm just moving the cursor, it is in the radial. Now I'm going with the linear. Okay, so this is about it. Next we will do, okay, now we are having over here the another option over here, in which you will click and you can do the selection. You just see, it makes a difference, it makes a difference from center. Okay, you can see here. If I'll go with multiply here, multiply, then many of the places it will be done. Yes, and then you can place your picture over there. You can place your photograph. Okay, so this is the thing, right? When I will click over here, we have the option on going on this. You can go with large thumbnail, so it will turn to large. Okay, you can even, you can replace, you can save it, you can go for metallic. You see a metallic effect you can give it. Okay, yeah. Okay, this way also you can do it. You can change the color. Okay, I've done multiply, so according to that it is working. Okay, next but last but not the least, in gradient we are having paint bucket tool to fill the area. Okay, if you want to fill the area, you can go with that. Okay, you can change the color. I've just gone to this place and I've selected the color. Okay, you can go to the color library and you can do the selection of the colors. Okay, this way you can take it the foreground color. Okay, and now if you want to place it that Mickey Mouse over here, you can do it. I want in a simple background, I can take it to a simple background. Okay, so this is about it. Okay, hope you all have understand. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.